Tie a ruler like a bracelet, taste a donut with a marker filling? Use hair rollers instead of chalk? That's possible only in Troom Troom School. New squishies and slimes came to our class today. A huge thing happened at our school. The news is bigger than Justin Bieber's wedding or a new Harry Potter movie. We have a new teacher. Monsieur Sebastian de France. We can call him Sebastian. He's a real champion when it comes to putting things in order and breaking hearts. The girls can't believe their eyes. Looking at the blackboard is so satisfying now. After all, an angel from the world of teaching is standing right next to it. I wonder who he will pay attention to. The friends start a competition. The goal is to win the new teacher over. Christy starts dolling up right away. But Redhead has a more practical idea. She wants to win the best student title with a special present. Cover an old squishy ball with blue acrylic spray paint. Cut the continents from felt following a template. Use a different color for every continent. Attach the continents to the earth with decorative glue. Prick the earth through at the poles. Insert a straw axis. And cut off the excess. Put the soft earth onto a globe stand. Christy thinks that the globe won't help Redhead win the new teacher over. But Redhead doesn't give up. She proudly gives the earth to Monsieur Sebastian. It's just a squishy, but it's from the bottom of her heart. But Sebastian has seen a whole lot of globes during his career, so it would be better if Redhead didn't waste her time and went back to studying. Christy wants to get in the way of her rival and sneak slime into her bag. Mix a large amount of stationery glue and blue coloring. Add a spoon of borax solution. Mix it thoroughly. Add a baking soda solution and knead the slime. Attach 2 strips of double-sided tape to a clear stationery pouch and attach it inside a bag. Fill the bag with slime. Put makeup and school supplies on top of it. Redhead is disappointed because her globe plan didn't work. Then she will fix her makeup. But there's a surprise waiting for her in her bag. A huge slime swallowed her makeup, and her hands stick together. Christy celebrates her victory. Redhead drops out of the competition for a while. Monsieur Sebastian is not happy with this kind of discipline. This isn't a class, it's a mess. Now he will make everyone study within minutes. You have 30 seconds to solve the problem. Christy is glad that she has a special clock to manage her time. Take slimes out of their bottles and clean them. Cut the necks off every bottle. Pour slimes into one bottle layer after layer. Fasten the bottles with super glue. Cover 2 caps with acrylic paint and glue them to the bottoms of the bottles. This new version of an hourglass will look great on a desk. The timer is set for 30 minutes. While the slime gradually pours down, Redhead keeps glancing at it from time to time, and meanwhile, Christy solves the problem. We have a geography assignment. We have to draw the Earth, but it doesn't matter how hard Christy tries, she can't draw a flawless circle. She thoroughly corrects the drawing with an eraser. Next thing you know, the Earth becomes flat. She needs to be distracted right now. For example, with my new stretchy ruler. Wrap old squishies with parchment paper and melt them with a hot iron. Take the parchment paper off. We get a stretchy substance that keeps its shape. Cut cut it so that it's of the same shape as a ruler. Turn it over. Draw hatch marks and numbers with a permanent felt tip pen. Take the squishy off the ruler. This ruler has some hidden talents. It can turn into a bracelet. It stretches like Elastigirl. And it snatches things like Spider-Man. Our teacher doesn't like it. But snatching my friend's stuff with this ruler is so much fun. Now the stretchy ruler turns into a targeted missile, and it's aimed right at Monsieur Sebastian's hairdo. Oops! We didn't want to ruin your hair, and Sebastian can't even figure out how this hybrid of slime and ruler got here. Take this extraterrestrial object away right now. Redhead wants to send a secret message in a paper plane to the teacher, but she needs some glue for it. Otherwise, the secret will be revealed ahead of time. This giant anti-stress glue will do. Cover a bottle of stationery glue with memory foam. Print out a label of suitable size and cover it with self-adhesive film. Attach the label with double-sided tape. Shape light clay into a tip for the big bottle. Use a wooden stick to make thread. Make a cap from light orange clay. Adjust the shape. Add a white top. Redhead shows off her invention. This giant squishy glue won't just glue any secret message, it can also relieve your trembling hands. Squishy glue? Who cares? Christy also has an interesting glue stick, and it's made from slime. Mix stationery glue with a drop of blue and red coloring. Mix them and you get purple. Add a spoon of borax solution. Mix the slime. Dampen your hands in a baking soda solution and knead the slime. We get a flexible purple slime that stretches out nicely. Put the slime into an empty glue stick tube. The girls start arguing whose glue is the best stress reliever. This is the first time that a stress reliever has caused a fight in our school. Glue and slime is all over the class. Both stress relievers put up a good fight, but Monsieur Sebastian has to step in. This mess has to be stopped, and the girls calm down at once. Not many people would like to wear slime on their heads around a handsome teacher. Monsieur Sebastian can't manage to find a suitable marker. There are only red ones in his arsenal, but he wants to highlight important information instead of correcting mistakes. He's going to have to ask the girls for help. Finally! Redhead has been waiting for this the whole day. Of course she has a marker for her favorite teacher. It's not regular, it's soft. Mark the size of a marker on a squishy donut and cut out a hole the entire way through. Stick the marker inside. Cover the tip with different colors. The donut flies right into Sebastian's hands, but this marker highlights the text with a few colors at the same time. The teacher is not used to such a rainbow of colors, and he has never seen squishy school supplies before. Well, Monsieur Sebastian, welcome to our school, I guess. A lot of surprises are still coming. Everyone makes mistakes. Sebastian needs whiteout immediately, but our teacher is such a perfectionist that he doesn't even have any. We will have to help him. Add some slime glue to hair gel. Mix it and add some borax. Knead the slime. Keep adding whiteout until the slime becomes completely white. Fill an empty whiteout bottle with the slime. Christy lends Monsieur Sebastian her whiteout. How nice! The teacher is about to correct his mistake, but the fluid stretches suspiciously with the brush. It's a slime whiteout! Now the white substance is all over the notebook. This whiteout will make even more mistakes than there were before. Monsieur Sebastian delivers a lecture on world structure at the blackboard. Even the chalk can't handle his energy. It crumbles right in his hands. We need to break the ice right now. Thankfully, Redhead just happens to have some extra chalk. Take wire base out of foam hair rollers. Cut hair rollers so that they fit into the box of chalks. Cover them with spray paint of different colors. Put the hair rollers into the box. Sebastian takes out a piece of chalk, but it turns out that he's holding a hair roller in his hand. Well, squishy chalk is way too much. The girls won't get away with their pranks. Sebastian will give them a taste of their own medicine. He gives all the pranks back to the students. It looks like the new teacher, Monsieur Sebastian, made himself at home, and there is no winner in the competition for the title of Best Student. Did you like our new school ideas? Then write in the comments which teacher from the Troom Troom school is your favorite one.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.